On the exterior, as you can see, Israel and his guys continue to make progress on the siding, but they also installed the stainless steel cable railing system on the exterior. It's just about complete. They have just a couple sections left to install, and that gave them something good to do during the rain. We got kind of rained out again this past week. And on the interior, some fun stuff this week. So first of all, we installed the black cable rail system on the railings around the stairs and down the stairs as well. So that's now all complete. In addition, they laid carpet in the bedrooms and the closet. So the bedrooms are now actually complete. The really cool thing is that the granite was installed this past week. So that's the primary bathroom vanity. And then the counter over the cabinets under the bookshelves. Jake also installed the bookshelves. And the kitchen came out really good. The stone on the island is, you can't really pick it up on well on the video, but it's really spectacular. And so's the quartzite on the main counter. So aside from that, Joe got the all the track lighting installed. So it's basically, it's up lighting for the timbers. Actually makes the place look really bright and clean. And I installed one of my brother's sculptures in the art loft. And this coming week, we're getting backsplash in the kitchen. We're getting appliances. Wi-Fi is being installed. So we're getting towards the end.